Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. In today's video, we're excited to delve into the incredible health benefits of honey for the human body. Honey has been treasured for centuries not only for its sweet taste but also for its numerous medicinal properties. So, grab a cozy spot, and let's explore the 7 powerful ways honey can enhance your overall well-being. 1. Natural energy booster. When you're in need of a quick energy fix, forget the sugary drinks or snacks. Instead, reach for a spoonful of honey. Packed with natural sugars, honey provides an immediate burst of energy while also sustaining your stamina for a longer duration. This natural energy source not only keeps you going but also avoids the unwanted crashes associated with refined sugars. 2. Soothes sore throats and coughs. Soothing sore throats and coughs is one of the remarkable benefits of honey that has been cherished for generations. Dealing with a persistent sore throat or a nagging cough can be incredibly uncomfortable, interfering with our daily activities and overall well-being. Fortunately, honey, with its remarkable antibacterial properties, comes to the rescue as a natural remedy. The antibacterial properties of honey play a vital role in soothing the throat and reducing irritation. When you consume honey, its antibacterial compounds interact with the inflamed tissues in your throat, providing a soothing effect and helping to alleviate discomfort. Additionally, honey's viscous texture forms a thin, protective layer over the irritated throat, acting as a natural barrier against further irritation from swallowing or speaking. To experience the calming effects of honey, you can easily prepare a soothing concoction. Simply mix a spoonful of honey with warm water or herbal tea, ensuring that it is not too hot to avoid scalding your throat. Sip this mixture slowly, allowing the honey to coat your throat as it goes down. The warmth of the water or tea combined with the sweet and comforting taste of honey creates a pleasurable sensation, soothing the soreness and easing the urge to cough. What makes honey an even more effective remedy is its natural ability to address both dry and productive coughs. Dry coughs are often caused by an irritated throat without much mucus production, while productive coughs involve the expulsion of phlegm or mucus. Honey acts as a demulcent, providing a coating and soothing effect to both types of coughs, regardless of whether they are dry or accompanied by mucus. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of honey can aid in reducing the presence of harmful bacteria in the throat, contributing to a faster recovery. By inhibiting the growth of bacteria, honey assists the body in fighting off infections and promotes a healthy healing process. 3. Supports digestive health. When it comes to supporting digestive health, honey emerges as a remarkable natural remedy. Its enzyme-rich composition plays a pivotal role in promoting healthy digestion. Enzymes are essential for breaking down food particles, aiding in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. By incorporating honey into your diet, you provide your digestive system with a gentle boost, making it easier for your body to process and extract the essential nutrients from the foods you consume. Furthermore, honey has been known to alleviate various digestive issues, including indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Its natural sugars, such as fructose and glucose, help regulate the digestive process, ensuring a smooth and efficient movement of food through the gastrointestinal tract. Additionally, honey possesses natural antibacterial properties, which can combat harmful bacteria that may disrupt the delicate balance of the gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption, as well as supporting a robust immune system. By promoting a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, honey aids in maintaining digestive wellness. 4. Natural immunity booster. Boosting our immune system has become a top priority, and honey can be a valuable ally. This golden elixir is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of honey can help your body fight off infections, reduce the risk of illnesses, and support overall immune function. 5. Promotes wound healing. Honey's ability to promote wound healing is truly remarkable and has been recognized for centuries. When it comes to treating wounds, honey's antibacterial properties play a vital role. It acts as a natural antimicrobial agent, effectively inhibiting the growth and spread of harmful bacteria. By creating an unfavorable environment for bacteria to thrive, honey helps prevent infections and provides a protective barrier around the wound. Applying honey topically to minor cuts, burns, or ulcers can significantly accelerate the healing process. Honey's high sugar content creates an osmotic effect, drawing out moisture from the wound and creating an environment that is unfavorable for bacterial growth. As a result, the wound remains clean and protected from potential infections. Moreover, honey's acidic pH further inhibits bacterial growth and enhances its antimicrobial effects. In addition to its antibacterial properties, honey also possesses anti-inflammatory properties. This means that when honey is applied to a wound, it can reduce inflammation, swelling, and pain, providing relief and comfort. By soothing the affected area, honey supports the body's natural healing response and facilitates the regeneration of healthy tissues. One of the significant benefits of using honey for wound healing is its ability to minimize scarring. When wounds heal, the body produces collagen, a protein responsible for the formation of scar tissue. However, honey has been found to promote the production of high-quality collagen, resulting in reduced scar formation and improved cosmetic appearance of the healed wound. This makes honey an excellent natural option for individuals concerned about scarring. Moreover, honey's hygroscopic nature, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air, helps keep the wound moist, which is crucial for optimal healing. The moist environment provided by honey promotes cell migration, tissue regeneration, and the formation of new blood vessels, all essential processes in the wound healing cascade. It's worth noting that not all honey is created equal in terms of its wound healing properties. Manuka honey, derived from the nectar of the manuka tree in New Zealand, has gained particular attention for its potent antibacterial and wound healing properties. It contains a unique compound called methylglyoxal, MgO, which gives it exceptional antimicrobial strength. Manuka honey has been extensively researched and has shown promising results in treating chronic wounds, such as diabetic ulcers and pressure sores. 6. Natural sleep aid. If you struggle with falling asleep or suffer from insomnia, honey might be the solution you've been searching for. The natural sugars in honey help increase insulin levels, which stimulates the release of tryptophan in the brain. Tryptophan then gets converted into serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. A warm glass of milk with a spoonful of honey before bed can be a soothing bedtime ritual that promotes a peaceful night's sleep. 7. Antioxidant powerhouse. The presence of antioxidants in honey is truly remarkable. These powerful compounds help combat the harmful effects of free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Regularly incorporating honey into your diet can provide your body with a natural source of antioxidants, supporting your overall health and longevity. Honey, nature's sweet gift, offers far more than just a delightful taste. From energizing your body to boosting your immune system, supporting digestion to promoting wound healing, honey has an array of health benefits. So, whether you enjoy it in your morning tea, use it as a natural remedy, or incorporate it into your cooking, harness the power of honey and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on leading a healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore the incredible benefits of another natural wonder. Until then, take care, and be well.